I'm Wayward Kay, and today I just want to talk a little bit about 3D double hoop tech. So if you watch any of my videos, you will know that I love doing 3D hoop tech, and the way I come up with a lot of my new tricks and variations is by thinking of how I can make a trick that I enjoy doing in wall playing look 3D by changing the planes of one or even both of my hoops. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to make split opposite extensions 3D. So this is the wall playing version of split opposite extensions. And if you don't understand how to do this, you can take a look at my previous tutorial and come back to this one. So I'm going to jump right into it. One of my favorite variations of this trick looks like this. I really enjoy boxes and 90-degree angles, so when I tried to think of how to make split opposite extensions 3D, this is what came to mind. I start with my hoops out to the left, both thumbs are up, and they're forming a nice right angle. And as you can see, my left hoop is in wall plane, and it will stay in wall plane. It will simply do an extension in wall plane. And remember, when you go down, to let go of your hoop to get and re-grip on the other side. So my right hoop will be facing the audience so that it looks like an I. And to do an extension in this plane, I will simply trace an oval shape. So I'm going to be leading with my pinky from the left side down so that my pinky is up on the right side. And then I'm going to go back the same way I came. I'm going to lead with my thumb down, and my thumb is now up, and it will go over the top, and now my thumb is down. So in this position, it's a little bit difficult to hold your hoop like this because it puts a lot of strain on your wrist. So make sure you stretch, and it'll get easier with time. So I'm going to do these extensions at the same time. My left orange hoop will go up, and my right green hoop will go down. So that will look like this. And they will meet on the other side with my arms crossed, my wrists crossed. And since my wrists are crossed, I'm just going to go back the same direction I came. And then now my wrists are uncrossed. So I continue my right green hoop up and my left orange hoop down so that they meet on the right side again. And they're forming a nice 90-degree angle again. So another fun variation of this variation is to do it while you're turning. So I'm going to bring my right green hoop over my head in an extension as my left orange hoop goes down this way. So that will look like this. I'm going to start in facing the audience, and I will step left through, and I'm going through wheel plane, and I'm rotating all the way over to this position where the hoops are in a right angle again. And then I will go back by bringing that right green hoop over my head in an extension, and my left hoop extends back. And now I can go right back into it in the front. So there's variation 1 that I want to show you of split opposite extensions. Variation 2 will look like this. So in this variation, as you can see, both hoops start facing the audience like this with my thumbs up. My right green hoop will go down, and then my left orange hoop will go up, and they will look like this. And then I keep my wrists uncrossed, so you can cross them if you want to. But then I'm just going to go back the same way and then continue over again. So that's a fun little variation that I like to do sometimes. Variation number 3 here. I'm going to keep my hoops side by side like this with my thumbs pointed up, my wrists together. And my left orange hoop here is going to do an extension over my head. So that's the upward extension. And my right green hoop will do the bottom extension, the downward extension, in front of me, like this. So from the front, that's the way I like to do this trick, facing the audience. It will look like this. Hopefully this helps you guys learn some new 3D hoop tricks and helps you think about how you can make some of your favorite tricks 3D. So tag me in your videos. I can't wait to see. Good luck, everyone. Happy hooping.